Hey guys, we received this Clutterix BPA-Free plastic airtight food storage containers for test and try. So they come with the vented lids and the two pack 5.9 cups each for the meal prep and the leftover storage. So let me just show it to you. So comes in this nice protective box. So let me just take out quickly. So this is a plastic lunch box or the storage box that you can use for the food and anything. So this is a airtight thing. So you can see like this door. So say that this cover will just make it more airtight, and when you just click, and then due to this airtight, the steam or the can store. So there is a steam vent, you can see it here. So this can release the steam, and it's easy to open the box. So this is a nice thing, so it can release the or relax the pressure by opening the vent, and you can put it easily inside your bag, no spill or no stress. And it's a you can microwave on that, and put in the refrigerator, and you can just do anything you want, easy to clean even in dishwasher. And then take your food, enough space inside, so you can put a good amount of food, around 5.9 cups, and take it anywhere. So no leakage, it's a leak proof with the steam vent, nice storage, and the the tight thing here, you can see the airtight thing, and the closing thing as well, lightweight and easy to clean. So nice overall, two food storage boxes with the steam air vent. So great for the office and the school use.